Hello students, today in Mathematics Part 1 we will study Chapter 2 Real Numbers. Let us study surds, comparison of quadratic surds and rationalization of quadratic surds. Root of positive rational number. We know that if x square is equal to 2, then x is equal to root 2 or x is equal to minus root 2, that is x is equal to plus or minus root 2. So root 2 and minus root 2 are irrational numbers. Similarly, cube root of 7 and fourth root of 8 are also irrational numbers. So consider n as a positive integer and x raised to n equal to a, then x is the nth root of a. Example, x is equal to fifth root of 2. This root may be rational or irrational. For example, 2 raised to 5 is equal to 32. Therefore, 2 is the fifth root of 32. But if x raised to 5 is equal to 2, then x is equal to fifth root of 2, which is an irrational number. So let us learn about surds. Now we know that 5 is a rational number, but root 5 is irrational. Square root or cube root of any real number is either rational or irrational. Similarly, nth root of any number is either rational or irrational. So if n is an integer greater than 1 and if a is a positive real number and nth root of a is x, then it is written as x raised to n is equal to a or nth root of a is equal to x. So surd is an irrational root of a rational number. In a surd n root a, the symbol is called the radical sign. N is the order of the surd and a is called the radican. Now let us check whether fourth root of 8 is a surd or not. Here a is equal to 8. That is, a radicand is equal to 8. The order of the surd n is equal to 4. But the fourth root of 8 is not a rational number. Therefore, fourth root of 8 is an irrational number. Therefore, fourth root of 8 is a surd. Now, the surd of order 2 is called quadratic surd. For example, square root of 3, square root of 7, etc. are all quadratic surds. Simplest form of a surd. Root of 48 is equal to root of 16 into 3, and that is equal to root 16 into root 3. But root of 16 is 4. Therefore, the answer is 4 root 3. So we have to reduce the given surd to its simplest form. Similar or like surds. Now in this example we can see that root 2, minus 3 root 2, 4 upon 5 root 2 are some like surds because root 2 is common. So if p and q are rational numbers, then p root a, q root a are called like surds. Two surds are said to be like surds if their order is equal and radicands are equal. Comparison of surds. Let a and b be two positive real numbers, and if a is less than b, then multiplying a on both sides, we get a into a is less than b into a. If a square is less than ab, similarly ab is less than b square. Therefore, from 1 and 2, a square is less than b square. But if a is greater than b, then a square should be greater than b square, and if a is equal to b, then a square should be equal to b square. Hence, if a is less than b, then a square is less than b square. Here a and b both are real numbers, so they may be rational numbers or surds. So applying the above properties, we can compare surds. Operation on like surds. Let us consider the first example, that is addition. We have to simplify. So 7 root 3 plus 29 root 3 is equal to 7 plus 29 in brackets root 3, and that is equal to 36 root 3. For subtraction, it will be 7 minus 29 root 3, and that is equal to minus 22 root 3. Rationalization of surds. If the product of two surds is a rational number, each surd is called a rationalizing factor of the other. For example, if surd root 2 is multiplied by root 2, we get root of 2 into 2, and that is equal to root 4, and that is equal to 2, which is a rational number. Therefore, root 2 is a rationalizing factor of root 2. Let us solve practice set 2.3. Question number 1. State the order of the surds given below. Cube root of 7. That is, the order of the surd is 3. It is in the form n root of a, where n is the order of the surd. So, the order of the surd here is 3. 5 root 12. Here the order of the surd is 2, and it is a quadratic surd. Question number 2. State which of the following are surds and justify. Here cube root of 51, square root of 22 upon 7 and fifth root of 81 are surds because the radicands are positive rational numbers and the order of the surd n is greater than 1. However, if we look at fourth root of 16, that is equal to 2 raised to 4 whole raised to 1 upon 4, and that is equal to 2, which is not an irrational number. Question number 3. Classify the given pair of surds into like surds and unlike surds. Root 52 and 5 root 13. Here root 52 is equal to root of 13 into 4, and that is equal to 2 root 13. Therefore 2 root 13 and 5 root 13 are like surds because the order and the radicand are the same. Here the radicand is 13 and the order is 2. In the second, square root of 68 and 5 into root 3. Now square root of 68 is equal to root of 4 into 17, and that is equal to 2 root 17. Now if you see, the radicand 17 and 3 are different, even though the order is the same. Therefore 2 root 17 and 5 root 3 are unlike surds. Question number 4. Simplify the following surds. First, root 27, that is equal to square root of 9 into 3, and that is equal to 3 root 3. The fifth, square root of 168, that is equal to square root of 4 into 42, and that is equal to 2 root 42. So we have to reduce it to the lowest form. Question number 5. Compare the following pairs of surds. 7 root 2 and 5 root 3. Now 7 root 2, it becomes root of 49 into 2, because square root of 49 is 7. So that is equal to square root of 49 into 2, and that is equal to square root of 98. And 5 root 3, that is equal to root of 25 into 3, and that is equal to root of 75. Here 98 is greater than 75, therefore root of 98 is greater than root of 75, and therefore answer is 7 root 2 is greater than 5 root 3. Sixth, 5 root 3 and 9. Now 5 root 3 can be written as root of 25 into 3, and that is equal to root of 75. 9 is equal to square root of 81. Here 75 is less than 81, and therefore answer is 5 root 3 is less than 9. Question number 6. Simplify. Addition. For the first one, 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3, that is equal to 5 plus 8 root 3, and that is equal to 13 root 3. For the second one, 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root 125, that is equal to 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus root of 25 into 5, that is equal to 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 5 root 5. So taking 9 minus 4 plus 5 together into root 5, so the answer is 10 root 5. Question number 7. Multiply. The first one, 3 root 12 into root 18, that is equal to 3 into root of 4 into 3 into root of 9 into 2, that is equal to 3 into 2 root 3 into 3 root 2. So that is equal to 3 into 2 into 3 into root 3 into root 2, and that is equal to 18 root 6. The third, 3 root 8 into root 5, that is equal to 3 root 4 into 2 into root 5, that is equal to 3 into 2 root 2 into root 5, and that is equal to 3 into 2 into root of 2 into 5, and that is equal to 6 root 10, which is the answer. Question number 8, divide and write in the simplest form. Root of 98 divided by root of 2, that is equal to root of 98 upon 2, and that is equal to root of 49, and that is equal to 7. Question number 9, rationalize the denominator. The fourth, 6 upon 9 root 3, that is equal to 6 upon 9 root 3 into root 3 upon root 3, because we are rationalizing the denominator. So we have to multiply the numerator and denominator by root 3. And that is equal to 6 root 3 upon 9 into root 3 into root 3. And that is equal to 6 root 3 upon 9 into 3. So that reduces to 2 root 3 upon 9, which is the answer. And fifth, 11 upon root 3, that is equal to 11 upon root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. We are multiplying the numerator and denominator by root 3, and that is equal to 11 root 3 upon root 9, and that is equal to 11 root 3 upon 3.